Thank you for taking the time to view this video on how to use Google Drives. In this session, we are going to talk about how to share a Google Sheet with other people and how to make a copy of a sheet that was shared with you so you don't override their data. First, let's talk about sharing a Google Sheet. For any Google document, we share the same way, by clicking on the green Share button in the top right corner of the document. From here, we can type in the name of anyone in the StAnthonys.org network of email addresses. The most important thing about sharing a document is making sure you give people the correct permissions. If we are sharing this document with someone we want to collaborate with, we would want to share it with editing access. We click on the pencil to the right of the email addresses and make sure Can Edit is checked. If we are sharing this with students, or we want this information to be read only but not edited, we would want to check off the View Only box. This will prevent anyone from making an edit to your work and potentially messing it up. If a document is shared with editing options and that person makes an adjustment, like putting it in alphabetical order, this adjustment will be seen by anyone who is sharing the document, including the original creator of the Google Sheet. This leads directly to the second part of this video. If someone has shared a document with you, and you want to reorganize the data in a way that makes sense to you, or perform some other function on the information without messing up the original work, you can do that by making a copy of the Google Sheet. To do this, go to the top of the Google Sheets and click on File. Then click Make a Copy. This creates your own personal copy of that Google Sheet, which you can rename and will sit in your Google Drive. You are now the owner of this Google Sheet and can choose to share it or keep it for your own purposes. You can do whatever you want to this sheet, and it will not affect how the person who shared it with you or anyone else on the original document. It simply copies all of the information into a new Google Sheet, which will save to your drive and will be your own personal copy. I hope you have found this video to be helpful and will allow you to work collaboratively within your departments or school community very easily.